सेल्फी।
Like this side में नहीं है।
हाँ जी।
हाँ हाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम। ये स्वागत है आपका।
Today's topic is the chain of market. The chain of market shows how goods move from producer to the customer to different people. I am a farmer. I grow vegetables and tomatoes, potatoes, and after harvesting, I take my produce to the wholesale market to sell them. We solve the problem. This is smart digital dustbin. It have a ultrasonic sensor. This ultrasonic sensor helps the dustbin mobile like this. We had an ultrasonic sensor. It worked like a bird's ear. It sent the sound waves over by its own, detects and send message to the servo motor to lead automatically. We solved the problem using a robotic stick.
यूज़ करके दिखाओ इसको।
Like this.
Slowly. The sensor.
We know that engineering is all about an perfect balance between software and hardware.
The hand grabs the object tightly and can move from one place to another. Right? And this pulley mechanism helps it to move objects up and down. And the same thing is that we can move objects from one place to another place, which is common in both the projects. Now that is second project. In this way, the crane picks the objects from any place and shifts to another place. Now, I hope you will understand about this project and our hard work on it. Thank you.
अरे नहीं वो यूज हो जाएगा प्लीज। एक्सप्लेन।
Hello, ma'am. I am Viveka Devasi and I am joined by the teammates Seema, Avishka, Vedant, and Puneet. Today, we are excited to present
with mechanical force with perfection. These cranes can be used in factories, import and export businesses, and mining, etc. I can show you how it is work. We can use it with tab and mobile, but I can show you with the robot.
Robotic cranes with the help of Avishka Robotic Kit. Our first project is hand pulley gripper crane and the second project is automatic crane. The first project, it can hold and pick the objects from one place to another place and the pulley mechanism help it to move the objects up and down. It can be used in mining factories, import and export businesses or shipping materials, import and export. For explanation of second project, here is Anish.
Our second project is the automatic.
And I'm joined by my teammates Silma, Avishka, Virat, and Vinay. Today we are excited to present our social science model activity where our goal is to demonstrate how a country is governed smoothly and fairly. To run a country effectively, our government is divided into three main branches. In this system is called separation of powers. And it ensures that no single instrument or power has too much control. Now, let's look at our model and each section represents a different pillar of the Indian government. Now I will explain how they work together. Do you know who make laws in our country?
I don't know.
Okay, it's okay, I just tell you. The laws are made by the legislature. Legislature role is make laws for country. It functions including making laws and changing the old ones. It also discusses national issues and keeps them on the executive branch. In India, it consists the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha and the President of India. Now I will talk about the executive. Do you know who implement law in your country?
I think government of India.
Yes, the executive. Its job is implement and enforce the law that legislative made. It runs the daily administration of country and maintains the law and order. In India, included President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, and Civil Servant. Now I want to talk about the third branch of the government, which is judiciary. Do you know what would happen when judiciary is not there?
I think crimes are increases automatically.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
That's why judiciary is responsible for interpreting the law and deliver justice to people. And it protects the rights of citizens and ensure everyone is equal before the law.
Okay.
Do you ever think the judiciary can be controlled by the Prime Minister?
I don't think judiciary is controlled by the Prime Minister.
Yes, correct. It is independent, which means it works without the interference from other two branches. It includes Supreme Court, High Court, and subordinate courts.
Okay.
In conclusion, these three branches work together like they are in a machine to govern the country effectively. And each branch has its own specific role and none is more powerful than the other. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Okay. Shall I ask some questions to you? Who is the Home Minister of India?
Mr. Amit Shah.
Okay. Who is the chairperson of lower house? Here is your lower house. So who is the chairperson of your lower house?
योगिता देवासी
किस क्लास में पढ़ते हो?
क्लास 8।
आज क्या प्रोग्राम है आपके स्कूल में?
आज हमारे स्कूल में आई है।
जी। तो आज ये आप मैं देख रहा हूँ ये स्टॉल लगा रखी है, ये पार्लियामेंट की लगा रखी है, क्या जानते हो इसके बारे में आप?
ये हमने गवर्नमेंट की जो ब्रांचेस है उनको रिप्रेजेंट कर रखा है और बता रहे हैं उनके बारे में कि वो कैसे वर्क करती है, तीनों ब्रांचेस एक साथ में, और उनका क्या वर्क होता है, क्या रोल होता है उनका, और कैसे हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट है वो हमारे देश को बहुत फेयरली और स्मूथली चलाती है, कैसे इफेक्टिवली हमारे देश को रन किया जाता है।
दो फोटो दिख रही है पार्लियामेंट में, किस किस की फोटो ये लगा रखी है आपने? क्या क्या लगा रखा है?
ये लोअर हाउस जो कि मिस्टर ओम बिरला है, और ये अपर हाउस।
हाँ, और राष्ट्रपति की भी तस्वीर लगा रखी है।